Hey, start interview.
We've begun. Go ahead and introduce yourself whenever you're ready.
Hello, my name is Dipanshu. I am a full stack developer from Delhi. I completed my diploma in computer engineering from AIT, followed by my graduation in PCA. After that, I joined IntelliPath's full stack development course, and now I am focused on manual development. For development, I use Tailwind and React for my front end, Node.js and Express for my backend, and for my database, I use MongoDB. One of my recent projects is personal finance tracking app, where it extract data from PDF and so categorize spending through visual representation on dashboard. Right now, I am focusing on improving my backend skills and working enhancing my communication, aiming for a full-time role in full stack development.
Thank you for sharing. Now, can you explain closures using a real project example?
A closure is a JavaScript feature where an inner function can access the variable of its outer function even after the outer function has finished executing. This always happens because inner function remember the lexical scope where it was created. In a real world project, closure is used for data hiding. For example, if it is a bank account application where account balance is private and it returns few methods like deposit and get balance. These methods still can access the variable or values of account balance even after the outer function has finished executing. This all happen because of closure.
Got it. Now, could you explain the event loop with an example?
JavaScript is a single-threaded language that executes only one task at a time. To perform or handle asynchronous tasks or multiple tasks at a time, JavaScript uses event loop or libUV libraries for handle that task. Event loop is used to whenever there is a task that takes some time, JavaScript push that task into browser or Node API and don't wait and return to the main thread. Even after that task is completed, JavaScript take that task and push into a callback queue. Event loop continues check the call stack. If it is empty, event queue push callback item into call stack for their execution.
Understood. Now, why is React fast?
React is fast because it uses virtual DOM for updating the UI instead of updating the entire DOM. Uh, uh, Whenever there is a change in UI, React first created a virtual DOM and checked this virtual DOM from previous virtual DOM using a process called diffing. And React after diffing, the React update the DOM only the changed element instead of change the entire DOM. This process increase React application performance. Uh, Few more performance is React used for enhance their performance. More First one is diffing algorithm. Second one is reconciliation. Third one is uh, virtual DOM, and fourth is component based architecture.
Thank you. Lastly, can you explain transactions in MongoDB?
In MongoDB, a transaction is the set of database queries that treated as a single unit. In a transaction, all queries are either successful or failed. When there is a fail in that transaction, MongoDB roll back all the transaction from the start. At the start, transaction used ACID properties for ensure data integrity and mm, data integrity. ACID properties is based on atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability.
Thank you for completing all the questions. I'll now give you an overall evaluation.
Okay, please do.
Overall, I'd give you a 7 out of 10. Your technical knowledge was solid, and you covered the main concepts. In communication, you were clear, though there were some repetitions and hesitations. Grammatically, you had a few minor slips, nothing too distracting. You maintained good confidence, but a more structured, concise approach would strengthen your answers further. Keep refining examples and pacing, and you'll do even better next time.
Okay, thank you.